100 years, but I wait a million more for you. Nothing prepared me for what the privilege of being yours would do. If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lips when you concentrate enough, I wouldn't know what I was living for. Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line, every touch is a redefined phrase. Surrender who I've been for who you are, for nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, but